So this is going to be a short video regarding O2 sensor test. First thing you need is a multimeter. This is the most basic multimeter that I have. I got this from Harbor Freight. What you want to do is you want to set it into ohms meter. This is the ohm, and then you want to set it to 200. And so I have it here on 200 ohms meter. And this is going to test the heater circuit on the O2 sensor. And the heater circuit is basically going to be a 2 identical color. So the one that I have here, it's a 4-wire system. Something is 3-wire, but this one I have 4-wire. And for the heater circuit, it's the 2 white one. But sometimes your O2 sensor might be 2 black one or 2 gray one. Mine seems to be 2 white one. So after you set your ohms meter to 200, what you want to do is you stick the positive onto the white one, and then you want to use the black one, which is the ground wire, and you want to stick it into the second white one. And as you can see the reading, you should get a resistance reading out of it. And the resistance on my O2 sensor is currently showing 11.1. And different sensor has a different resistor on it, and it all depends on what kind of car that you have and what's the spec on it. So you should refer this number to your manufacturer handbook on your vehicle. Yeah, that's about it. So this is basically the 2 white one is for mine is basically to test the heater circuit resistance. Yours might be 2 black one, and that's how you test the heater circuit resistance. But if you want to check the voltage on your O2 sensor, you want to switch it to DC volt, and you want to set it under 20 for mine, because you don't need it that high. And what you basically do for the O2 sensor is that you stick the black one, which is the COM, which is the ground wire. You want to stick it to a metal, or stick it somewhere, like anywhere that is metal. And then for the positive, you want to stick it into one of these voltage sensor. And the voltage sensor could be either a black one or the gray one for mine, but yours probably different. It could be a white one for yours. And you stick it in, and what you do is that you're going to heat up the sensor. You need a torch. A lighter won't work, so you basically need to heat up the torch, heat up the sensor. And what happens is that when this thing is heat up, the surrounding oxygen is basically burned off, and which create voltage on this thing. So you could basically detect voltage. That's basically how you test the voltage.